Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another video. Today I am doing a review of Radagast and Rhosgobel. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into it. And as you can see, this thing is bloody huge. It is, and it is really, really heavy. Like, it's really heavy, like 40 to 50 pounds. It's crazy. So let's get right into her. So you can see Radagast there himself with the bird on his shoulder, which is really, really cool. I love that. And then his staff is the staff that he has in The Hobbit in all the movies. And until the end where he gives this one to Gandalf. And his beard is just so detailed, and his portrait is really awesome. Like, so cool. And all his cloak and everything. This thing is just unbelievable. And you can see a little bit. Well, I'll do a 360 of this thing. There's a lot to talk about. There is a lot of these potions. So I'll swivel this way. You can see more potions and mushrooms and whatnot. So you can see there's the potions and mushrooms and pots and everything. This door was really cool. Cool feature. It's 2 slots on the left there, as you can see, and then it swivels inward. Because there's that. Where is that? You can see probably if I zoom in here, you can see that groove. That's where it slides in. And just look how detailed this door is. This is freaking phenomenal. I love the window with stained window in there, which is really, really cool. But all these pots and everything, and look at all the stonework in his house there. And then there's even more potions over here. And this is where it comes really cool. Like, look at all the stuff in the background here. This is really cool and awesome. You can see more potions, a little tree, and all the shelving in there. Really cool. And I think those are those are the scrolls that he has in his house and whatnot. And then right on top, you can see all the mice. And you can see there's mushrooms growing on the tree, on this beam here. This is a real cool. And then up here, you can see there's like a pipe that you insert on top there, and then more potions there. Yeah, and then you can see this satchel there. And you can see there's another mouse down below. And over here, you can see more stuff on this shelving in the back here. Really, really cool. And look at the detail of this bark on this tree stump, on this tree that's in half here. So cool. I'll zoom out here so you can see better. Isn't that cool? Bloody awesome. Then there's another pot down below. Then the stonework on the outside. And then he has a lantern on the outside as well. And the outside of the door. And then he has his rabbit peeking underneath the door, looking in. And then another pot or whatever. And then more stonework. Yeah, I am so impressed with this piece, guys. This is freaking unbelievable. And this is number 118 of 18, or 118 of 800 pieces that I purchased here. Now look at his portrait. We'll go head on here and his portrait here. I like his little smirk and everything. And just the bird peeking over, which is really, really cool. I love it. I love this piece. This is definitely in my top 3 now of like statues and environments, because there's so much going on in this piece. I just love it. It's so cool. Like all the shelving and all the potions in the back and all the mice that are running around. And oh yeah, and then you can see here, he even has a salamander here on the ground as well. And you can see the rabbit peeking underneath the door. So cool. And then you can see his shoes and whatnot. Curled up shoes. And then his robes. And then his satchel that he has on the side here. You can get him behind, I hope. You can kind of see his back of his head there with his hair and everything. Yeah, no. Weta, if you guys are watching this, I absolutely love this piece. I am so glad I got this. And this is 1/6 scale. So I think the house is even 1/6. That's crazy. So just imagine how big it is in life size, I mean, and whatnot. So, and then you can take the potions and move them around and whatnot to different spots wherever you want. And he pegs in just right where he is there. Look at the birds look there. And then him look, and Radagast looking at the bird. I'll show you this staff here a little bit more. And you can see the light inside of the staff there on top, the blue piece there. Isn't that cool? Absolutely love it. You can see what I mean here with that blue piece on top there. That becomes the light for him. I love his look. And I love his eyebrows. And then they did less of the bird poop in his hair this time, rather than a whole bunch. So, yeah, this is crazy, guys. Heavy. And just big overall. I don't know, I can't remember the dimensions. But it is so cool. And then, yeah, there's 2 pieces of mushroom, salamander, pots and everything, whatnot. I love this door, so cool. Oh yeah, and then 2 more mushrooms on top here, as you can see there. So cool. And then 2 more growing out of the tree there as well. And then you can see the top of this thing here too as well. You can see that pipe on the right. It gets inserted through a peg, and more pots and stuff on the top here. Such a cool piece. I just absolutely, and then I love the stonework on this. And I love this tree. All the detail of the lines going through that. So cool. And then more stuff there, as you see there. Just an awesome piece. So that is Radagast in Rhosgobel. Awesome. Thank you, Weta.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and weekend. See you guys in the upcoming video.